Hello, today I'd like to discuss how to request a transcript from the IRS. This will be over the web, via the mail, or over the phone. If you want to request a transcript via the internet, you will go to the IRS.GOV website and click on the View Your Account button. This is going to look like a little folder. Just press that button. You would then press Create or View Your Account, and this will bring you to a screen to create a user ID and password. If you already have an account, you would just go ahead and log into your account. And if you do not have an account, you would do the Create Account button, and this process will take up to 15 minutes. If you do have to create an account, please make sure that you have all the information that they need before you begin the registration process, which would be your full name, an email address that's valid, your birth date, the Social Security number or TIN number that you have for yourself, your tax filing status, and your current address. Your current address will be the mailing address that was on your most recent tax return. If you have this information, you would click Yes and Continue. This will bring you to another screen where they're going to ask for some personal information to verify that you are who you say you are, which may include the last 8 digits of a Visa, MasterCard, or Discover card, which is in your name, not in somebody else's name, but in your name, your student loan number, or your mortgage or home equity loan number, your home equity line of credit number, or your auto loan number. Basically, they want one financial account to register. So if you have at least one of these accounts, you can continue with the registration process at the IRS.gov website. What I found out personally was that for the Visa, MasterCard, or Discover card, there are some credit cards that just don't work, like some debit cards. And they explain that below, where they'll say that certain corporate cards or an American Express card or Barclays cards or some cards issued in banks in U.S. territories, some of those they can't verify. And they can't verify if you have a student loan with Nelnet. They can verify with other student loan lenders, but right now they currently can't verify with Nelnet. So if you have one of the other informations available, you can continue with the registration process and press the Yes button. This will bring you to another screen that's going to ask whether or not you have a phone number or a verified address. They just basically want to send you a text message with a PIN number, or send you a letter by mail with the PIN number that you can enter on their website so they can verify you are who you say you are. So if you have a valid phone number that you can receive a text message from, or a valid address, you can just press the Continue button, and then that will bring you to a screen where it's going to ask you to actually fill out all the information that you said that you had, where you would just enter your Social Security number and all that other data that they asked for, like your date of birth, your address, that credit card or that student loan account number. It's just going to ask you all the data that they asked you to verify that you had first, and then you're going to enter that in, and then after you enter that in, you'll either be officially registered or they'll say that there's some type of error. If there's an error, it's usually because you're missing something, or they're not able to verify one of the financial institutions, so you would just change it to something else. Like, say if they can't verify your credit card, use a different one, see if that works instead. Or if you have your student loan number, or you have your mortgage account number, or your home equity line of credit account number, use that instead if the first information that you entered didn't work. Once you are fully registered, then you can begin to request a transcript. Once you're fully registered, you'll get a screen that looks exactly or similar to this, and it will show a bunch of tabs on the top, and one of them will be tax records. When you press that button, there'll be a button below that says Get Transcript, and you would press that button and you're officially able to order your transcripts online. Please keep in mind that they only allow you to go back so many years, and anything past, I think it's 2017 as of today, you actually have to fill out a form instead and do it by mail, but they'll let you do up through 2017 via the internet. Now, if you're unable to order your transcripts online, but you still need to request a transcript to be sent to you, you can still get your transcripts by mail through the website, and you would just go to www.irs.gov/individuals/get-transcript, and you could press that button that says Get Transcript by Mail, and you can request a transcript through the website to be sent to you via mail. I will put this link below so that way you can just copy it and go to that page directly. Once you press the Get Transcript by Mail button, it'll just ask for your social security number, your date of birth, your street address, and your zip code or postal code. The address they're asking for is for the address that is on your most recent tax return that you've filed. So you would fill out all this data, and you would press the Continue button, and then you'll be brought to another screen. You'll then be brought to this screen where it will ask for your account transcript type, your tax year that you're looking to get the transcript for, and it'll ask for a customer file number. For the tax year, it only goes back to 2017 to order by mail over the internet. Anything older than 2017, you'll have to fill out form 4506-T and mail that form in. I will put a link to that form below so that way you can easily go to it on the IRS website. For the customer file number, that's a unique number that's given to you by like a lending institution, like a mortgage company, an auto loan company, or like maybe a student loan company. So if nobody gave you a number to put there, don't fill it out. Just leave it blank and you can still continue to get your transcript. After you enter your information here, you would just press the Continue button, and then another screen will come up that will say that just allow 5 to 10 days to receive your information, by mail. And then you have officially ordered by mail. Now, if you don't want to order by mail or you couldn't do the transcript online, you can actually call the 800 number of 800-908-9946 and order the transcript over the phone. But please keep in mind that that also only goes back to the year 2017, and anything older than 2017, you'll still need to fill out form 4506-T, which is the request for transcript of tax return. I hope that you found this information useful, and if you can please like and subscribe to my page. If you have any questions or comments, please list them below and I'll try to answer them as quickly as possible. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day, and until next time, thank you.